Hey love bugs, JayeeGood here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. Today's routine will consist of 3 steps: washing, adding product, and styling my 6-month-old. She had already had her bath, so to get a deep cleanse, I just put her in the sink so I'm able to wash without any complications. Today I'm going to be washing her hair with Dove shampoo. I squeeze about 2 half-dollar sizes into the palm of my hand. I like this shampoo because it replenishes essential moisture back into her scalp. Seeing how baby skin is extremely delicate, it provides her with just enough nutrients. I go in and massage her scalp a few times to allow the shampoo to get deep inside her scalp. Summer Lily had Cradles cap, and for you all that don't know what that is, it's when an infant has a flaky patch within their scalp. No worries though, it's completely normal. However, this method removed the Cradles cap. As you can see, I am combing through to remove any excess of Cradles cap. This is why you see me combing from her scalp first. However, when doing her hair, I start from her ends and work my way up, which is considered the proper way. I like to use lukewarm water while I'm rinsing out her hair. As you can see, she's very content and she's very relaxed. Hi, Mama! She's so cute. After a nice wash, I rinse her hair thoroughly. I love my little pink picture. Target, you guys, $4.99. The product I will be using first is Argan Oil. When washing, it strips all the oils out of her hair, so I must add them back, right? I simply use about 2 quarter sizes and massage, massage, massage. I will then go in with an organic product called OrganiHairGrowCo. It's a natural hair product. It's a moisture milk which is 100% organic and vegan. It's for all hair porosities and very safe for infants. I did my research, y'all. Check them out. Summer Lily's hair has grown tremendously. I will add their website in the description box down below. We've approached step 3, which is styling. Today I'm doing a part in the middle with 2 side swoops and a curly leave out. This style usually stays for about an hour until she's looking like Ronald McDonald again. I'm applying a pink little bow to complement her pretty pink floral romper. As you all may have noticed, Summer doesn't have any bald spots in the back of her head because I wash her hair about 3 times a week and I apply oil every other day to keep her hair moisturized. She also sleeps with a satin sheet so her hair doesn't rub out. If you use this method, I promise you, baby's hair will not rub out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you missed my first video, check it out right here if you want to watch more. See you guys soon. Bye guys.